of the surface. So before that, so, oh, I can't. Oh, oh. So okay. So before we start, we have here in Lanhen, Pitsanulok province, is the past. This was a sad stone field. Okay, quiet. Field. So with a trace of rain surface water and natural tinies that have curved the crack in the rock to a small size. So that picture is where you can see in the Pitsanolok province. There is a tourist spot there that has a stone crack or small curved cracks that in a small size. So, landform, okay. Landform are features of earth crust that is caused by the process of changing beauty. So some rock, because of the process of changing its beauty. So there are some rocks that are formed beautiful. So that earth crust with the various morphologies is called landform. Dangerous features such as lake, plain, plateaus, and deltas. So, naturally, rocks may have cracks. So, some rocks we have these cracks or gaps or cavities within the rock. So, there may be a water traps in some cracks, gaps in those cavities. So, example, the rock has its crack and there is some water stored in the crack. So, in the winter, it said that there may be water, there may be water trap in crack or gaps of the rocks. So, when the winter or when the air temperature drops, the temperature of the remaining water will also decrease. So therefore, the temperature of water drops to a freezing point. So some water are freezing. It's changed from liquid to solid and increase in volume exert force. So changes in the internal area of rocks with alternative expansion and construction over a long period of time. For example, this picture. So rock surface heats up and expands. So rocks or stone, have you tried to touch the stone in a day? Is it hot, right? So it says that the rock surface is heat up and expand during day. So during night, rock surface cools and contract. Have you touched a rock or a stone during night? What do you feel? Cold. Cold, right? So some rocks or stone surface cools and construct. And then join form in the outer parts of the rock. So this one. This is the joint form of the rocks. And then if it's gone, this is the original rock surface. So the one is the broken rocks. This one. So if this is happen, and this is the original rocks surface. So this one is the broken rocks. So stationary decay with only size changes. So the shape of the stone make the stone smaller, but no change in chemical composition. So it said that if the stone make the stone smaller, no, just remember, no change, no change to chemical composition of the stone or rock. So with the various parts still not being scattered from the original place called mechanical weathering. We will discuss the mechanical weathering later. So we have rocks to decay, its remain in place. So caused by other factors such as gravity and the type of rock. Some of the rocks are having this formation that is floating. Later, I will see you our picture. So geological structure, we have topography, living things, weather, and time period. So this is the example, National Park area in Puhin, Rumclao, Pitsanulok province. This one is the rock formation. Another, have you seen this one in real life or in real students? Have you seen rock like this? Like no, not human made. It's like natural rocks. Have you seen or have you seen in real life or just you know some accident that you see rock like this? No. How about this one? This is a stationary weathering of the rocks due to the separation of the Earth's gravity. So I told you we have also this kind of rocks that is formed because of the Earth's gravity. So this is from the Pangan province. So Sondit Pra Rina Garendra Park Meng district. So this is the example of Earth's gravity or stationary weathering of rocks due to the separation of rocks and Earth's gravity. So geological structure are the morphologies that appears. So rock steps such as appearance of being laid. So in layer, so being laid in layer, the appearance of being laid in layer, the appearance of crack, the appearance of split line, the appearance of bend, or appearance of orientation that is tilted away from horizontal plane. So this is the rocks step. So this is the example. We have picture of structure of the rock that is laid out in layer and has split lines. So this is the example. If you look at the rock, they have horizontal and then every layer has its split line or laid out in layer. So, physical weathering of rock occurs due to various natural factors. The process of stone change in size and shape make the stone smaller. This is physical change. So, the process of stone changing or change in size and shape we call physical change or make the stone smaller. So this is a physical change. Just remember, change in size and shape of the stones are physical change. But there is no change in chemical composition of rock. I told you earlier that even the stone became smaller. Still no, just remember, still no change in chemical composition of rocks or stone. So when someone asking you about this, if the process of stone change size and shape, you just answer because of physical change. But the stone, even the stone is became smaller. There is no change in what? Chemical composition. So this one, no change in the chemical composition of rock. Just remember, no change in chemical composition of rocks. So we have the geologic process on or processes on Earth. We have the exogenous process, weathering, physical weathering, chemical weathering, erosion, mass wasting, and sedimentation. So first we have the exogenous process. Oh, okay, everyone read. It occur. Okay, who can read? It occur. Everyone read. It occur. Everyone read. And usually influenced. It's in extreme. That inhibiting that area. So it said that exogenous process occurs on near surface of Earth. It is usually influenced or driven by gravity, water, wind, and organism. And extreme cases, it can be wipe out majority of the organism, inhibiting that area. Example, we have this rock figure. This rock figure, there is a tree, a living tree inside the rock. So we have these exogenous processes on Earth. So this is nature, okay? So this is example, the tree living in the rock or the stone. Okay, next is weathering. So we have breaking down or dissolving of rocks and minerals on Earth's surface. So it happens even without, oh, remember, it happens even without the movement or transportation. So water, ice, acid, salt, plant, animal, and changes in temperature are all agents of weathering. So once a rock has been broken down, a process called erosion transport the bits of rocks and mineral away. So I have here the example. This one. So this rock is broken. Have you seen? So we have these weathering rocks. For physical weathering, breaking of rocks into smaller pieces. So in physical weathering, we have breaking of rocks into smaller pieces. This can be through exfoliation, freeze-thaw, freeze-thaw cycle, abbreviation, root expansion, and wet-dry cycle. It can occur due to the change in temperature and pressures. Due to change in temperature and pressure, that is physical weathering. Example, this one. This whole rack has so many cracks. So we have the physical weathering, breaking the smaller pieces. Okay, this is physical weathering. We have chemical weathering. So the erosion or disintegration of rocks, building material caused by chemical reaction, chiefly with water and substance dissolved in it, rather than by mechanical process. So caused by what? Rainwater reactant with the mineral grains in rocks to form new minerals or clays and soluble salts. Oxidation in other kind of chemical weathering, that chemical weathering that occurs when oxygen combines with another substance creates compounds called oxide. Caused by rainwater reacting, so some of the stone or rocks have this rain reacting or rain reaction caused by the raindrops. This one. So this is maybe a smooth stone. These are the three types of chemical weathering. Look at the three types of chemical weathering stone we have here. So we have the erosion, process by which Earth's surface is worn away by wind or ice. Or again, erosion. It's when I say erosion, burned away by wind or ice. And then move rock debris or soil from one place to another. Take place when it's rainfall, surface runoff, flowing rivers, seawater, intrusion, flooding, hurricane, and wind. So are you familiar of this, right? When we say rainfall, of course, rain, flowing rivers, flow of rivers, of course, sea water, the wave, the impact of the wave in the rock, intrusion, and flooding. You know what is flooding, right? Example, landslide. You know what is a landslide? The soil in the mountain. Okay. And of course, you know the hurricane and the wind. Okay, these are the example of these are the example of erosion. We have flowing of river. This one is the seawater. You see this? This is the ocean or the sea. The impact of the wave and cause of this. So that is erosion. So flowing of river and seawater. The impact of the wave caused by this. Next, we have mass waste or wasting. We have movement of large masses of materials, rock debris, soil mode due to a slope or a steep sided hill or mountain due to the pull of gravity. It is very destructive in area with increase of water flow. So some of these cases are in mountain. It is very destructive, or it's say very dangerous. So it is very destructive or very dangerous in areas with increase of water flow. That is mass wasting. We have the three types: the debris flow, the mud flow, and the slump. This is an example of mass wasting. This one, it's like a landslide, but not really big. So the types of mass wasting, we have the first, the mud flow. Oh, again, everyone read. Also known, everyone. Also known, liquefied. So this is a mud flow, also known as mode slide or mode flow. Mass wasting involving fast. This is fast moving flow of debris and dirt that has become liquefied. Have you seen this one? This is when we say liquefied, more on water. Look at this one. This is a mud slide or mode flow. This is a fast moving flow of debris and also the dirt. So that is become liquefied. So this is the example of mode flow again. The next we have debris flow. The movement of rocks or rock and soil down slope under the influence of gravity. So if you observe the picture, look at the picture, there is a debris flow. This one is a mountain, and then this one is soil with rocks. So under the influence of gravity, that some are flowing or flooded. That is cause or influence of gravity. Just remember, when we say debris, you just remember this one, influence of gravity. When we say mud flow, just try to remember mud flow become liquefied or fast moving flow. The third is the slump. Slow, okay, students, slow movement of soil along a curved surface. In time, the area would look curved because of the depression formed by the sinking of land. This one is sinking of land. So we have slow movement. This one is slow movement of soil. So slump, slow movement of soil along the curved surface. Just observe the picture. This is a slow movement of soil, and this formed by sinking or sinking land. So that is slump. Again, what are the three? types of mass wasting. The first one we have mud flow, deep, or debris, and the last, again, the three mass wasting we have mud flow, debris flow, slump. Okay. Oh, we have the sedimentation. So, sedimentation, it says sediments which result in the formation of sedimentary rock usually occur in extreme or sea erosion. So it's sometimes the impact of the wave. Have you tried or have you seen a video that some people are just so high and then jump to the water? You know that is this the rock formation. They example. I'm going to jump to the sea water. You know that I'm standing, have the rock, the impact of the wave. This one. It is usually caused by sea erosion. Example, this is the water, the sea water. Yeah, some of rock formation is caused by impact of the wave. Oh, example, this one. It extremely or usually occurs and sea erosion. So that is the example of the rocks in sedimentation or sedimentary rocks. We have the indigenous processes. It's take place within, oh student, it's take place within or in the inferior of earth. Oh, listen. It is driving force in the thermal energy of mantle. It is responsible for earthquakes. So, indigenous processes are responsible for, okay, indigenous processes are responsible for, so earthquakes. So earthquakes, development of continents, mountain building, and volcanic. So this one are cause of earthquake. Have you watched or have you tried watching video that happenings for earthquake or movies that caused by earthquakes? Have you seen some of the roads or land that having a crack that is caused by earthquake? Okay, magmatism. When you heard magmatism, what comes first in your mind? When you hear magma, volcano, how about you? When you hear magma, what comes first in your mind? Volcano, okay. So, magma is very hot and constantly moved by the internal heat that reach the mantle of the earth. So through the convection flow. So magma forms when rock reach temperature between magma forms rock reach temperature between
800 อันว่าอะไร1,200 degree Celsius.
Okay, so 800 to 1000 degree Celsius. So this is the picture of the magma. We have this one. And then next we have volcanism or plutonism. It is the process that usually happen. The magma is formed. Okay. Again, when you heard magma, come first to your mind is volcano. So this is it. So it is the process that happens after magma is formed. So magma came from volcano or volcanism. So magma try to escape from the source through openings such as volcanoes or existing rocks on the ground. So some volcanoes are not just exploding or escape from the mouth of volcano. Some are existing in cracks on the ground. So not all magma are came from the mouth of volcano. But just remember some are existing cracks on the ground. So magma try to escape from the source through openings such as volcano or existing cracks on the ground. As soon as the magma reach the earth, as it explode and then it was flowing, then it will reach the surface of the earth. It is known called, okay, again, as soon as the magma reach the surface of the earth, it is known called, it's not lava, it's lava. Everyone, lava. Okay, and it's not lava. Okay, lava. Lava. Everyone. Very good. It's lava. As soon as the magma reach the surface of the earth, is it known called lava. So this is the example of the volcanoes. Oh, some volcanoes are exploding. Some are just flowing the magma, but some of these are not really trying to get outside the mouth of the volcano, but some are in the ground. So the crack of volcanoes. So this is the example. Again, what are the three types of mass wasting? We have the mud flow, debris flow, and slump. Okay. So this is the volcano, and we have the metamorphism. It is a process changing the materials that make up the rock. So this one is very important because they are the one who process the changing of rock. So some rocks are beautiful, some rocks are dangerous, and some rocks are unique. So again, not all not all rock are beautiful because some of the rocks are also dangerous. So chemical components and geologic characteristic of the rock change due to heat and pressure that increasing and decreasing. Remember the picture that has day, night? This is the characteristic of rock change. It is due to heat and pressure that increasing and decreasing. Have you tried to observe the rock that is try to observe the rock that is has different color. You know, the rock has a different color, some having orange, some having black, some are just like color brown. Some rocks, what color? Red? I guess there are rocks that is red, right? I don't know, but I guess there is rock so color red. So some of these are due to heat, change to heat and pressure that is increasing and decreasing. This is the example of metaporpi- meta metamorphism. So this rock, this is the example. I think it's blurred, but if you see this one, they have some different color. Yeah, this one is brown. They have also this kind of yellow color figure in rock. So that is metamorphism. Again, what are the types of geological or geologic processes on Earth? We have exogenous. Again, everyone, geologic processes on Earth, what are they? Again, shh. Keep attention. Okay. Geologic process on Earth, number one. Okay. I can't hear you. Stop talking. Okay. Again, please, some of your classmates are trying to listen, so they distract you. So please listen. Again, what are the geological process on Earth? First, okay, so we have the geologic processes on Earth. We have the exogenous process, the weathering, the physical weathering, the chemical weathering, erosion, mass wasting, sedimentation. So I have here, um, just try to survey. This is not counted, but just try to answer the about the topic that we discussed today. Try to put in a circle. Check. Just check. For example, rocks can be created and destroyed. Just try to answer. Is it true? Is it false? Is it both of the above or none of the above? And then in the circle, you just try to put check. Okay? This is only 15. 15. And maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21 chairs. So we have 4. No, how many are you in this class? 41. Can you try 41 divide 15? 2. Okay, so there are 3 people in one paper and the other are 2. Okay. We have 3 of you because you have 1 absent. then oh, three of you, and then three of you, and then view, and then three of you, and then three of you, and then you, and then this one. Oh no, this one. Yeah, and then you three, and then three of you, your group. Okay, then three of you answer this one. Just try to put check in the circle. Okay, then your group. You don't have group. No. Okay. And then three. Do you okay? Um, me three. No. Three. Oh no. Okay. We have two of you, and then three of you. There is one left. Who wants to answer this one? Okay. Maybe this is you. No, it's you. You have one. Okay. So you two, and you have one. Maybe no. Here. Excuse me. These two and you will be partner. Okay. So just try to survey of all the try to put check only, and okay, just try to put check and every question. Make sure that you understand. Okay? So this is for today. So again, our topic is about the process of geological changes of Earth. So again, no, it's okay. It's all yours. But don't try to misplace this one because we'll get to your exam. Okay? So just it's your practice. Try to practice and understand the lesson. Okay? So this is for today. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. It's no, it's